Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change column size in Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can create your Excel spreadsheet or open your default Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here on my Excel spreadsheet. Now I can change column size on this spreadsheet. Choose a column. Then right click on this column and go to column width. Now you can increase or decrease column width. Now I can increase this size 30 to 20. Then press OK. You can also decrease this column size. Choose another column and right click on this column and go to column width, and I can decrease this time 42 14.43 to 8. Then press OK. You can see I change column size in Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.